On this one, we replaced a water service from the meter box to the home. And the problem with this one was that most of the water service was under a pretty big driveway. And the homeowner was not interested in all in breaking out his driveway. So we had to find an alternative way to run the line. And so what I'm going to show you here is the size of the driveway. So if you come around the corner here, it was from the end where we started all the way over to past this van here. So that was quite a bit of concrete. And then it ran through the yard over to where you see that window on the far right side. So over there, you'll see we have a pipe running out there. So what we did was we took an alternative route, and which involved getting into the neighbor's yard a bit. And if you take a look to the left here, you see that same water meter. And we ran from that water meter up the side yard, into the neighbor's yard a bit on the left there where it says beware of dog. And then we got up to, we ran that probably about 20 feet in the neighbor's yard, and then cut across and came up the wall with some type L copper, 1 inch type L copper going across there, and then into the garage, which you're going to see when we get to the left here. And you'll see it on the ceiling as we go in. You'll look up in the shiny copper going across the ceiling. That's the 1 inch pipe that we surface mounted. And now this was all at the customer's request. He did not want to cut his driveway out. This was the only way we could find to do it. So we ran it across the garage and then down this wall where a dryer was located. And then you'll see we popped out. You can see the ProPress fittings. Most of this is ProPressed. And as you can see, there's a lot of stuff in the garage, so really hard to get around. Basically just went where the stuff wasn't. So, we wouldn't have too much stuff to move. Now you can see where we came out of the garage here on the left side. Right there, we drop down and then we go under the ground. Then we have to jet underneath that walkway and then make the left turn there going into the home. And we had to reconfigure some of that. And you'll see that we used a Mega Press fitting to tie onto the old sprinkler system because there's no way we were going to get that sprinkler system apart. And we come up with PVC into a ball valve. Pretty traditional setup. And you see that long piece of PVC? That's just so we can flush the line out before we put the hose bib back in.